guys, today I'll be unboxing and trying to give my initial review for the RENPHO Eye Massager. This one is $69.99 in Amazon right now. So we're gonna go see if this is worth that price, if I can open it. Open, not easy. I should always bring a scissor with me when I try to open. Alright, there we go. So it comes with a battery, auto timer for 10 minutes. So that's the box. Comes with a manual and a tips. Okay, and awesome, it is a USB-C, so that means we can just use our phone charger just in case we forget this one, especially if you're traveling. Okay, so it's very lightweight. That's pretty cool. Okay, anything else inside the box? Nothing. It's pretty nice packaging. There is this foam to protect it. So now let's go see. Oh wow, little dots. It's kind of like an acupuncture. It's what do you call it? Silicone, it seems. And I like that there is the eyes have that you can read if you're using this power button on the side, which is cute. And then there's a strap, well made. Again, $69.99. I'm not sure how good this is. We're gonna find out, but based on the quality, I can see why it is priced that way. So now and then the charging port is right in the bottom. Okay, now let's go try. It's not easy to adjust. Okay. Oh, I guess something is hanging. Don't know if you can. Oh, there we go. You just have to pull. Okay, let's try. Power button. Hopefully I look normal. Okay, feels good so far. I can see everything. Now I guess the power button is here. I can feel a circle. 3 seconds. No.
To the RENPHO Eye Massager.
Ooh, did you guys hear that? Tension relief mode. It is pretty. Even comes with the music. Okay, it's pretty relaxing, which is super cool. Okay, I wonder if I can change the mode based on pressing. There is a voice in there. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but
retinal protection mode.
Ooh, retinal protection mode. Retina? I guess it's retina. Okay, try again and another one. That's the second mode.
Youthful radiance mode.
Beautiful radiance. Okay, I better be beautiful after these. I love the sound. It's pretty relaxing, and I'm glad that I can see on here. But when it's vibrating, your eyeballs is kind of like moving as well, so you can't really read or anything. But the good thing is, if somebody is talking to you while you're trying to relax, you can see who that is, and you can see what's around you, surroundings and stuff. Okay, we're number 3. It's not that hard vibration-wise.
Regeneration mode.
Regeneration. It's like somebody is tapping on my face. Oh, I like this one. Okay, this is number 4, and so far this is my favorite. It's like somebody tapping one by one on my face or around my eyes.
Tension relief mode.
I think this is the same one, tension relief. I'm not sure. Okay.
Retinal protection.
Yeah, there is only 4 because this is already the second one. Okay, it's so cool, and then turning it off is very easy. Press it for 3 seconds and it's done. I like it. It doesn't hurt my head, nor doesn't hurt around my eyes. It's pretty relaxing, especially if I'm not talking and just had the lights off and then just trying to relax. This feels good, and it doesn't hurt. You know how sometimes you're wearing, especially if you wear a VR, it hurts your face afterwards. This one is not that. It's not like that. I love the look of it. It's like makes me feel like I am a robot or something, right? Okay guys, based on the price and the quality and how it feels, I think it's worth the price. And I love, if you are waiting or expecting something that presses hard, that's not like that. It's like you tapping your face. So basically, if you can tap lightly, that's basically what you get. So are you willing to pay that price to tap your face around it? That's a big question. I guess for me, if I can use this all the time and kind of gives me a little bit of headache, I guess it's a matter of getting used to it because of the vibration and the pressure maybe. So anyway, if you get car sick easy, maybe it's not for you, because I get car sick easy and I can feel right now I am dizzy, a little bit dizzy, and that is only like for a few minutes. Okay, and with that as said, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to Yoni J. And again, and this is the RENPHO Eye Massager, $69.99. Remember to hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.